So we're gonna go to the old school section of this motherfucker. God damn. They got throwback whips. But they got so much throwback shit. Cuz this is where the whips at. They fucking with it. I'm talking about they got whips.
What?
Upon whips, upon whips. Ooh, that motherfucker wet.
Oh yeah.
He got a clean whip right here. What's this? He got that motherfucker on some things.
They're huge.
This motherfucker big. Yeah, it's nice. Look at that thing right there. If that ain't a beauty. A real expensive car. Wow. So he got his trucks and shit over here. Ooh. God damn. Look at that joint right there. Oakland is the finest. More whips. Find more whips. Man, they got shit. Shit. I mean, bruh, be careful for what you ask for, because they got it. Woo. I mean, they got whips. This motherfucker wet. God damn. Look at that motherfucker. He got that thing yiked up. Yeah. And this is, yeah.
This is one I saw driving.
Nice one. You light that G thing up. Fire up then. We got more shit. License T on that motherfucker. UCNT. Yeah, he wet. I mean, then they got their bikes and shit. You start back to the back with all this shit, cause this shit is real wild. See? Two-tone, grown, motherfucker wet. Oakland fucks around with it.
There's two types of people on this road.
This. He's wet. Uh-huh. I got you. He's wet right here. They got bug wagons. Ooh! Look at this beautiful piece of joint. He said, come get the 67. They can't see him about shit. That motherfucker immaculate. That motherfucker wet there. That's a nice piece of car. I mean, shit. That ain't a nice piece of motherfucking car. That's a nice motherfucker. That's a motherfucking nice car. OG got that thing put together, man. That's a 67 Malibu. Bitches coming down the street, backwards high.
Yeah, okay. It's like the arc.
This shit move. I'm telling you, Oakland don't stop. And this is an Oakland classic, the A's colored wagon. Oh yeah. So we get back up to the action.
We went through our first stage, then like right after it was done.
And look at that there. Oakland doing it. He got that thing yiked up. You feel me? Up in there for y'all. Everything whipped up. They got mini Whippleton. Oh, look at brush shit. Bro, wet. I mean,
Ooh, look at that ball.
Dondiditliveshowww
Show, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Live and direct, the Dondiditliveshowww, man, 2012. You know
That's what I'm talking about.
First Friday. You feel me? Out here, you feel me? Doing our thing, some old school shit, you feel me?
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? I swat ink at you. You feel me?
Hello.
You know, talking about what's happening with it, man.
I mean, another one like the other one, waiting on the next one. I try to tell them, man, I get anybody that's somebody, even if you nobody, I got your dog ass too. So what they don't know is the Don done did it live. I'm like, man,
Stop.
I ain't gonna stop. It won't stop. I mean, I come off a fresh injury to a real memory, so they can't stop me. I'm gonna take a picture. It lasts longer.
Oh man, they're gonna be frozen forever.
Forever. I've been rocking on this motherfucker for
How long you been out here?
man, we done been up to Wade. We done did the drive-by. Now I'm getting the actual in the tape. I'm in the movement. This will be up tonight. I have it posted on my site tonight. I stay up late working. I just updated some new shit. Dean Degrees, Bo Stranglers, interviews. I mean, I took this shit to the next level. This shit is real this year. I ain't playing with it. I ain't playing with this shit no more. Alright. Bruh kinda wet. That IROC bastard doing numbers. I mean, it's just like
If you want some coke, that's cool, 'cause my home is still. Yeah, my home is still.
you only see this type of shit in Oakland. Now, I'm talking about in, we ain't really, Oakland ain't really fanatics about them motherfucking witches and shit, but we respect it. They got some motherfuckers yiked up, them motherfuckers on them life. Yes.
In Vegas. Oh, shit about here.
Baker. Right here. Bro, he got his Malibu out here. That Studebaker is nice, huh? Look at that. Cutlass. He got that motherfucker nice and whipped up. This is Oakland, California, y'all. Dondiditliveshowww at that. All the way live. Live and direct like a TV set. And I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna be everywhere. There's somewhere this year. You feel me? OGs, they come through. They fucking with it. He clean as a motherfucker. He got hood, hella carbs, lifters on that joint. He polishing that G thing. He got that motherfucker 3-wheel motion, tilted on the ocean. You know what I'm saying? I mean, this shit is real as a record deal. We're doing this thing. Let me get this old school right here. This motherfucker. Hey, excuse me, African. Excuse me. Look at this motherfucker.
Doing it again, man. That's what's happening, Mackin. What the word is, man.
Motherfucker hella clean.
Man, brought it back out, huh? Yeah, man.
Hey, excuse me, Yo, G.
Really?
Give me one time. Give me.
Drying it up a little bit. Yeah, man.
Got you going. That's this motherfucker.
Man, that one was sweet, ain't it?
Ooh, shit. That's a nice piece right there. Look at that motherfucker. Antique clean as a motherfucker. That's a wet motherfucker right there, boy. Look at this pearls. That's a true. That motherfucker hella clean. Check it out. Oakland at its finest. Oh shit, that's a drop. That's a wagon. God damn it. Shit. That shit eating some shit alive too. I mean, I can't even tell y'all how this shit look. Oh, I see you, baby. Look at it. This spaceship. Every little thing gonna be alright. Oh, don't worry. Dondiditliveshowww live show. That's clean as fuck. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Dondiditliveshowww all over at the Action Club Daddy. We watching the whip. This shit is special. Dondiditliveshowww. Oh, look at this shit. It just can't stop. It won't stop. It refuses to end. To the beginning, to the end. I'm catching it all. Burger joint. They're getting it in this year. I ain't gonna lie. It's fucking with it this year, y'all. Pick. They got it. You see it here. You see it? All the way live. Dondiditliveshowww. That motherfucker is raw.
Yeah, that's a fine.
Man, isn't it? I mean, very, very precise.
Yeah.
A millimeter from the ground, pimp suit. I mean, how low can you go?